All right, homies, we are currently in the most isolated location in my area. I'm here with Shawn Medvar as usual. We are literally in the middle of nowhere. So we're gonna see what we can find here. We're using search baits for now. Gonna see if we can find some fish. We'll switch to something else, but Shawn already caught like a tiny largemouth, so we're looking for some big dogs of any species. Probably just bass, but whatever. Yeah, you just never know out here. Stay tuned. They're gonna be sitting right on that ledge right there. Right where it disappears. I already tell you, they're gonna be sitting right there. Oh! Damn that beautiful bass. Kind of messed up, probably stunted. Old fish, but really small. Usually means it's stunted. We're not gonna have to pedal once.
We're not gonna have to pedal.
Watch this, ready?
Yes, sir. Out of here, dog.
Oh no!
Oh my god.
That was f***ing epic.
What did that take, like 2 minutes?
Oh! I think. No. Swedes. Wait, is that a fish? That might be a fish.
Oh, yes.
Nice one, dude. That's a good fish, dude. Oh my god. We found fish. Fish exist.
Red, dude.
Oh my god, fish exist in this lake. No way. caught one. Shawn's already been caught before. There's definitely like no big fish here though.
I don't know why. Maybe because there's no bait.
That's a big fish.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Are they like suspended?
Yeah.
Are you letting it sink at all?
They're just hitting on the bottom. I'm not even reeling, like they just hit it on the fall. Dude, this is a good one for here. Deep summer smallies. Oh, look at all of them following him. Oh my God. Yeah, there was a, dude, that's a big one. That's actually like a big fish.
That's like a 3.
Yeah. Oh, get it back down there.
Dude, what the fuck? Why aren't they like eating this first thing?
I don't know.
Dude, that's a nice one.
Can Shawn double up? That's the question. I don't know.
Yes, dude.
Double release shot.
Wait, that's not mine.
Who's? Oh, it's probably mine.
That's a nice one.
Dude, it's fighting too. That's a nice 2-pounder, dude. Nice fat too. Got him?
Oh my God, they're so healthy.
I know.
Oh.
Hard to tell with this rod, but I don't think it's that big. Nope. All right. Well, this is like serious stackage right here.
I could put on a tube if I wanted to,
Oh yeah, you can find anything, dude.
but like, do I want?
Look at that one. Look how it's shaped. Look at this. Look at this.
Some of them are shaped weird.
Big mouth on it. Stunted fish for sure.
Cast. That's how my largemouth looked. Just gonna cast them.
I might have to put one of those on, dude. That looks like so much fun.
Dude, there's so many down there. Holy shit. Is that a good fish? Let me go under you, bud. They're still like healthy.
Yeah, they fight really good. What is that? Looks like a trout.
Oh, it's another guy. Dude, how many double ups are we gonna get?
Dude, they really fight like crazy though. Just so sick.
Dude, I got a shot up here.
Another nice one, dude. Choked it. Dude, look how healthy this fish is.
Oh, I was gonna say we could get a double up, but never mind.
There'll be more to come. We already got a couple.
Topboard?
Oh, dude, they're just hitting on the sink.
Oh. Is that a big fish?
No. Smallest one yet for me, I think. All smallies too. Such beautiful fish. Look at that. This one's blind.
Really?
Yeah. Pretty cool. Is he blind in both eyes? No, just one eye. Something. Or a pickerel probably.
Probably an eagle.
Or a pickerel. We're still doing alright.
Actually, that might be. Like, there's no way it's not.
No, there's no way that's just some person's sky tech. Oh. That's a nice one!
That's a good one.
Dude, this is... Oh, dude, that's a 4-pounder. That's almost a 4-pounder. Are you kidding me?
You just knocked the top off.
Dude, what the fuck?
Dude, there were so many following it. Or like when I reeled up, I just saw like 8 flash. And then this thing comes out of nowhere. Oh, dude. Can't tell. It's right there. See it? Oh, I didn't have a Kitech on me, so they just sank.
Oh my god, dude.
Got him? Dude, they fight so hard.
Double up. Show him to the camera.
Oh my god.
Or just not.
Dude. 3.5. Dude.
That's my biggest from here for sure. Look at that.
That's
Oh
a nice
my
fish,
God.
dude. Oh my God. Looks good, looks good. Big dog.
I said the dream catcher strikes again with these good spots. This thing's so pissed.
They fight so.
I can't imagine this in a kayak, dude. You can just hit every spot.
Dude, why is he fighting so hard?
It's a pretty big one, that's why.
Dude, that's so cool how they're smalling in here. Like, look at this.
You would never think, right?
Like, look at it.
God, this thing's fucking insane. This happens when you get a fish that's never been caught before, and it gets caught.
Wow, that thing's nice. Decent one.
Biggest one of the day.
It's pretty.
Still doesn't stop. Nice. This is the only fish we're gonna catch today. It's just smallmouth. Oh! I don't know. On the broken rod, dude. I know. Oh, holy shit.